Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you the process of building a stock model car to a custom model car, a Porsche Taycan Turbo S. I'm starting off with a 1/18 scale Minichamps model. So, first let's unbox it and let's see what we are working with. The car I'm building is for a good customer and friend of mine, for his dad, for Father's Day. Let's take it out of the box. Let's see what we are working with. It's already a nicely detailed model. It's a diecast model and none of the parts will open. But yeah, it's okay. But first, let's take it off the stand. It's held on with 4 screws. It's already nicely detailed, as you can see. And when you're here and you're liking this kind of videos, please subscribe, like, share or comment and leave on your notifications bell. You help me a lot. And please don't scroll to the end. I know you guys want to see how it's gonna be. But yeah, please watch the whole video. It helps me a lot. So, first let's take it apart. The interior is also nicely detailed, but we're gonna change it later on, because it has to be another color. I decided not to take out the glass window, because it's glued together and I'm too scared to break it. The model comes with the right wheels, but they are not the good color. So, let's change it. They turned out okay. So, now back to the interior again. Let's change the color. I wanted to do something special, so I printed new screens and put some LED lights in it, so it looks more realistic. Let's put it back together. And what do you think? Leave a note in the comments. What do you think of this video or this build? Give me some advice. You help me a lot. And there was light. I used some 3mm LED lights. And when you're still watching this video, please like, subscribe and put on your notifications bell. The interior and wheels are ready, so it's time for the final part of this build and making the body more like the real car. And let's change the color to Porsche M7R. This was after 2 coats of paint. It's already looking nice. I gave it 3 layers of clear coat and after that I let it dry for 2 days before I start working on it again. Let's take off the masking tape and let's see how it turned out. Ah, quite nice. Let's put everything together. Most of the parts just pop in place or hold on with some little screws. I really love this build and I had a week to finish it because it had to be finished about Father's Day. And do you want your own car built, or your dream car, or a car with nice memories? Please hit me up on Facebook or TikTok. I added some more details like the license plate with the same number on it and some carbon details. Now it's time to put the car back on the stand again and let's make it ready for shipping. So it's finished about Father's Day. I just added some special touches and then it's ready to go to his new owner. I hope he's very happy with it. Now it's time to just admire it. And please, if you're still watching this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment, leave on your notifications bell, and see you the next time. Bye bye.